Serving the Community, a guide to understanding and action. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase in the English language: serve the community. This phrase is not just about words. It's about action, impact, and the heart of community involvement. Let's explore what it means to serve the community, why it's important, and how you can be a part of this wonderful initiative. To serve the community means to perform volunteer work or activities that help improve the life and environment of the people living in a particular area. This could involve a wide range of activities, from cleaning up local parks, teaching and mentoring youth, providing meals for those in need, to offering professional services for free or at a low cost to help those who can't afford them. Serving the community is about giving your time, effort, and sometimes resources to make a positive difference in the lives of others. Serving the community is crucial for several reasons. It strengthens the bond between community members, improves living conditions, and fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. Moreover, it teaches us compassion, empathy, and the value of hard work for the common good. By helping others, we also gain a sense of satisfaction and personal growth, knowing we've contributed to making the world a better place. There are countless ways to serve your community, and the best part is, everyone can contribute. Here are a few ideas. Volunteer at local shelters, schools, or nonprofit organizations. Organize or participate in community cleanup days. Donate clothes, food, or money to local charities. Offer your skills for free to those who can benefit from them, like tutoring, legal advice, or medical services. Remember, serving the community starts with small steps. Even the smallest actions can lead to big changes. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can serve your community. Remember, every effort counts, and when we come together for the common good, we can achieve extraordinary things. Thank you for watching, and let's make a difference, one action at a time. See you in our next lesson. This guide should help you craft an engaging and informative video on the importance and meaning of serving the community, tailored for English language learners.